Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As promised, another TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio update. That's always a mouthful to say, but as promised back in my live stream this morning, I figured I'd share a portfolio. It's towards the end of the day. The market is still open, so when you do see these prices, they will still fluctuate a little bit. We started off the day early in the morning when the markets first opened. It looked like it was actually going to be a good day, but that was a very short-lived. If you've been checking your portfolio today, we almost basically, as fast as we came up, we came back down. So it looks like that rally just didn't want to continue for another day. That's okay. No new deposits on the portfolio. But just a couple updates on investments in general. If you've been following the channel, we've been doing regular live stream updates during the week, doing a live stream for about an hour between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. It'd be great to have you join along if you're available. You can check out the channel. I will post the live stream beforehand and you can set it to be notified. It'd be great to have you jump on. We usually get a few people on there, some great comments, some great questions. To everybody that has been watching the live streams, I really appreciate it. It's been great, good learning experience and some great conversations along the way. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the portfolio. All right, here we are. TFSA, as you can see, we're down for the month, but we'll get into that. We'll just show how we are actually doing today. Nothing available to trade. If you were following along, I did do that fractional purchase, which you can check out in my previous videos. So zero balance right now, no new, like I said, no new purchases, no additions to the portfolio as of yet. But the market, of course, it's almost 1 o'clock Pacific time, so the market's almost closed. We'll look at probably doing it another deposit next week at some point. BEP.UN, this one, okay, we're okay. We're zero for the day, so just even on there. We'll drill into there. We do have price. We're going to see the prices fluctuate. As I said, the market is still open. 16 shares. Total is $622.88, and we are down 15.26% on our 16 shares for BEP.UN. BTC.Y, this one was up actually earlier in the day, but it looks like we've come back down a little bit. Average price 432, so we're still down 29.25%, but Bitcoin can do what Bitcoin can do. We have a total of 137 shares. This one does pay the regular monthly dividends, which will be rolled back into this ETF. CMC, well, zero today, so we'll take that as a win for CMC, for Cielo Waste Solutions. ETC up a little bit. Bitcoin and Ethereum has had a little bit of a rally today, kind of up and down though. We are down, unfortunately, on this one though, 62.02%. We're down quite heavily on this one, but up today a little bit, 4.28%. So we're just letting this one sit and go. This one does not pay the monthly dividends, so just something to be aware of if you're looking for a digital asset cryptocurrency ETF. Greenlane Renewables down today, unfortunately 1.59%. We're down on this one to 46.12%. This is this kind of, got our 1,000 shares. We're just going to be basically holding and seeing what happens with this one. In the long term, the goal with this one is probably 5 to 10 years. Not, we'll see hopefully some increase on that one. I still will be adding to this. A few people have kind of asked about that, but I'm not going to be rushing into doing anything like that. The focus is building up on some of the dividend producing stocks and ETFs in the portfolio right now. REI.UN, 18.55 right now. We are down 10.81% on our 26 shares. So we have $482.30. Regular monthly dividends coming on that one. As you can see, because the price is down, it's like there's nothing that's not affected right now. So I don't think it doesn't necessarily matter what our money was in. If we're going to be down, and that's just the way the market is playing out right now. RNW, this one is down as well. I will be adding more to this one. This is one I want to purchase. We're down unfortunately 2% today, but I think if we can carry over till next week, we'll do another small deposit. This one, 41 shares, we're down 33.66%. Dividends haven't changed on that one. Still get our monthly dividends, which is nice, which we do roll back into purchase more of TransAlta Renewables, RNW. Solar Alliance Energy just sitting there flat. That's the other kind of like small cap, a little riskier play, so we'll see how that one turns out as well. SOT.UN, right now we're down, just down a little bit today, 0.69%. We're down 15.63% on our 106 shares. Again, this one is monthly dividends as well. Again, same, I'm starting to sound like a broken record. We'll be rolling the dividends right back into repurchasing Slate Office REIT. No changes I'm planning for the portfolio holdings at this time. Telus down 1.13% today, so I know that's the channel favorite. Like I always say, I'm going to assume someone has purchased Telus. If you purchased Telus, let me know down in the comments below. There'll probably be somebody. And as you can see here, this is the one I have some of the fractional shares with because the dividend came through, and I'll put that into a fractional share. 18.2973 shares. We're just down 3.86%, so that's not bad actually, considering how the rest of the portfolio is going and how the market is going in general for everything, not just Telus. VDY, this is the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF, another mouthful of an ETF, down just a little bit today, and we have a total of 68.3529 shares. This is the other one that we've started to purchase the fractional shares with as the dividends roll in, and down just 2.63%. Average cost is 41.09, so happy about that. It's down it's nice to be down just a little bit. VFE, this is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. This is another one we'll start to add in fractional shares. As you can see here, 33.1187. This was purchased, if you watch a couple videos back, I did do a purchase of some of the fractional share of VFE. We are down 9.47%. Average price, 97.76 on that one. And let's just go through here and we'll show you how the portfolio is doing in general. On the week, we probably had, actually, to be a flat week, I'm pretty happy about that actually. So we can look on the day, we are going to be down today 0.74%, but on the week down 0.5%. I think that's pretty good to be flat for the week, considering with the volatility and everything that's happening with the market. That's okay. Now we're going to get into the worst part of it. But anyways, down on the month 7.92%. On 3 months down 3.74%, which is not bad, down $383.36 for the past 3 months. So we're getting it, but then we're going to get into the year. We'll see our grand total rolling in here, down 19.47% and all-time 19.37%. Now, if you were watching the videos a couple of days back, we were down about 20%. So we've gained a little bit of that back. This shows the market is moving around, and it will fluctuate. That's why we're not making any rash decisions or selling anything in the market right now. We're just going to slowly add to the positions that I hold. All right, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. Did you buy anything today? A little bit, maybe take advantage today. If some people were able to, that's great. If you bought anything, let me know what you purchased in the comments. It's always kind of fun to hear what other people are thinking, what's going on with the market and what you're buying. Maybe you sold something, let me know as well. It'd be great to kind of hear. Thanks for watching, everybody. It is Friday. Hope you have a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday for another live stream. Like I said, we'll schedule them between starting at 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So you can check that out on the channel as well. It'll be posted. You can hit that reminder to jump in, and we would be great to have you along with the conversation. It's always usually a fun time. Nothing really ever super scripted. We just have a bit of conversation. We'll see where it goes. So that's all. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll catch you all in the next video.